Okay, let's stuff it. Let's put the washers in first. I don't really use washers. I keep forgetting. So the other bees don't have washers in them. Because I keep fucking forgetting. Is this the wrong size washer? Yes, it is. Gosh darn it. Okay, one is right. This one's wrong. Why was I so dumb and I put them all in the same bin? I don't know. I was stupid. And now it doesn't want to go. Oh, that flippin' hurt. Oh, that bent it. Hold on. You see how pink it is on the tip of my fingernail? Oh shit. I don't think you can see it. Can you kind of see it? You can't really tell right now. Hold on. Ouch. Eh. Okay, now when I need you to configure, you don't. You see it? You see how like? Oh god. Hold on, let me hold something. Okay, there we go. Oh god. Okay, really? Now you don't want to do this? Oof. Yeah, I didn't know there was such a thing. Hold on, let me see. Configure. Wow, Pixel Stitches, hello! Hello, thank you for the raid! Hello, everybody! Welcome, welcome! How was your stream? What are you working on now? Thank you, thank you! Oh, thank you for hosting the stream. Oh god, I've been doing this for 5 hours. Holy crap. Yes, go follow Pixel. He's adorable. Oh, wow. Oh, that really hurt my finger. Nicole, do you have the link or whatever they're called for that tool so I can never do that again to my fingers ever again? That would be lovely. Welcome, Raiders. Thank you. I appreciate it because that one really hurt. I've never had that happen to me until like right now. Oh wow! Just wanted rating for dinner times. That's okay. Look what I'm making. I'm making a candy corn bee because I made regular bee. I'm not done with him. And then I made a vampire bee. Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. We'll have a wonderful dinner time. Oh, thank you for the host, little girl. Blah, 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 blah. My boyfriend literally started doing that. He goes, blah, 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 blah. It doesn't go zzz, it goes blah, 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 blah. This song is kind of annoying. Let's move on. Oh, my finger really hurts now. I get my eyes from that site, so I know they're good. Oh! I bought on Amazon a pack of 130mm eyes. They're coming in tomorrow, so I hope they work for that big bee so I can use those, because if not, I'll just return them. Oh, that's smart. Thank you. Alrighty, Drunken Lad. Thank you so much. I love you. You're awesome. Come back soon. Yeah, I'll just look around watching your amazing stuff. Oh, that's okay. Thank you, Marcy. I appreciate it. Look at my little candy corn. I think this will be the top. Yeah, that'll be the top of him. But he's not. His eyes are not too close together, though. Come on. People keep putting his eyes farther apart for some reason. I don't know why they do that, but they do. Might as well put the backs on this bee because I forgot. I'm pretty happy with the size of this bee compared to this one, and I still have to make a smaller one than that. Let's get washers. Watch me stub my finger again. This is gonna suck so hard. They're perfectly symmetrical. I'm really bad at symmetry. Yeah, that's why I could never be a drawer. Oh, let me see your stuff on Discord really fast before I forget. Oh, your bat is so cute. Oh, your cow is so cute. Oh my god, that unicorn cow. Those are so cute. You should see the unicorn I made. I made for my cousin. If you scroll up a bit, you'll find it, I think. No, it's in my general chat. It's so fluffy that I made. Oh, thank you so much for the host. You're welcome. Yeah, I made it for my baby cousin. She was 8 and she got it. So it's a huge. It took me 11 hours on stream to finish that thing. Ask Rainbow. She is one of the very few who stayed with me for the entire thing. It was a journey. It was a journey. You're welcome. Oh, I don't think I'm gonna be able to put this washer here. God damn it. Ah! Oh, I bet. Have you? Oh, I didn't show you. This thing is my most prized possession. Nope, I did not sleep at all that weekend. My llama! Drama llama. I will never sell these. I will never make them because this thing was a pain in the ass. It took me 2 months to finish this thing because every individual little hair that you see right here is a chain of 10. 10 chains all over its head. Yeah, I ain't doing that again. Unless you pay me like $100 and something for it, like $170, maybe even $200, I will do it for you. But no, I'm not making that again. I love llamas. That's why I made that huge ass thing, but no. I ain't doing that again. That was 2 months of my life I'll never get back. Dude, like, I mean, nobody's gonna want to pay that much either. Oh no, I can't stuff this washer in there. I'm mad. I'm so mad. No! Oh, I did it. Okay. Now to get it onto the back of this bee. Because I was stupid and I closed the bee off before I put the washer in here. Okay. Did I do it? Did I do it? Did I do it? Did I do it? Oh no, it looks mad now. I'm so bad at washers. Oh, 10 chains per stitch, crazy stuff. I wouldn't have to. No, I didn't have the patience for a while, and I put it down for like a hot minute, and I was like, fuck that, I ain't doing that again. Like, no, thank you. That's why it took me so long, because I was like, nope. I think it was before I started streaming, or during the time when I started, like streaming was when I still was making it. I don't remember. It's been a long time. Oh my goodness, washer. Ba-da-da.